Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the difference between cash dividend and stock dividend. Number 1. Cash dividend is a cash payout made to shareholders, whereas stock dividend is extra shares issued to shareholders instead of cash. Number 2. Cash dividend is paid in money, whereas stock dividend is paid in additional stock. Number 3. Cash dividend provides instant cash income, whereas stock dividend increases shareholding instead of giving immediate cash. Number 4. Cash dividend gives direct liquidity, whereas stock dividend is less liquid unless the shares are sold. Number 5. Cash dividend does not change the number of shares owned, whereas stock dividend increases the number of shares owned. Number 6. Cash dividend usually keeps the ownership percentage the same, whereas stock dividend usually keeps ownership proportional among shareholders. Number 7. Cash dividend reduces the company's cash reserves, whereas stock dividend helps preserve company cash. Number 8. Cash dividend is best for income-seeking investors, whereas stock dividend often suits growth-oriented investors. Number 9. Cash dividend often causes the stock price to drop by the dividend amount on the ex-dividend date, whereas stock dividend usually leads to a lower share price adjustment because the total number of shares increases. Number 10. Cash dividend must be reinvested manually unless the investor uses a DRIP, whereas stock dividend automatically adds more shares. Number 11. Cash dividend is often taxed when received, whereas stock dividend may have different tax treatment and is often deferred until sale depending on rules. Number 12. Cash dividend is seen as current income, whereas stock dividend is seen as added ownership rather than immediate income. Number 13. Cash dividend is useful for regular expenses or passive cash flow, whereas stock dividend is useful for compounding long-term holdings. Number 14. Cash dividend signals that the company can distribute cash profits, whereas stock dividend signals confidence while conserving cash. Number 15. Cash dividend mainly aims to maximize present cash returns, whereas stock dividend mainly aims to increase future value through more shares. So, the quick takeaway is that cash dividends focus on income you can use now, whereas stock dividends focus on increasing the number of shares you own for future growth. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.